Hi again, guys. This is the last part of the bread video, and it's just really not even much of a part. It's just me showing you kind of the outcome of the bread. So the bread just finished up in the oven. We did it again with 40 minutes with the top on, 40 without the top on. And again, I cut mine a little short. I know my oven, it runs a little hot. So, pulling the bread out. This is what she looks like. So I do a kind of, my cut I like to do is one down the middle and two on the sides. Looks like a little kind of floral thing or whatever. But it's got a really, I don't know if you guys can hear that. There's a little bit of a crackle to that crust, and it's great. It's got a real nice brown to it. It's got, it's just good. It looks good. So I'll take it out of the pan, and you guys can kind of see what she looks like from a 360-degree view. So this is the loaf. So my hand's it's probably as high as my hand, height-wise, maybe a little taller, and just a nice, beautiful dome. So I've got a little bit of bread left over from my last bread endeavor, and it's going to be basically the same recipe as this one. Here, let's turn it so it's got a little bit more light on it. There we go. And you can see it's got a nice kind of, that nice bread texture. This is a little bit denser bread that I make because I put different nuts and stuff in it. If you did just a white bread or a white with a little bit of wheat, it'd probably be a little more fluffy, but still got great flavor, great texture, and I really hope you guys enjoy. You know, it's good for sandwiches, snacks, toast. I eat mine with a little bit of, I got some truffle oil and some balsamic vinegar I mixed together, and I dip it in it, and it's a really good, yummy snack. Hopefully you guys enjoy, and be looking for more videos on sourdough starter and what to do with it. I think tomorrow I'm going to be doing a blueberry muffin with sourdough start, so hope to see you there. Bye!